and welcome to SyncApps Walkthrough Wednesday, which will feature custom field mapping. I am Joanna and I'll be your host for tonight. And with me is our team, our support team, as well as our development team. So if you have any questions, you can always chat them through our chat box feature. Also, please note that this Walkthrough Wednesday will be recorded for blog and marketing purposes. So overview for today's presentation will be about SyncApps, additional field mapping, how to manage your custom fields in Constant Contact, how to use custom fields with SyncApps, and a use case scenario, and after which you can ask questions with our team. Firstly, SyncApps only syncs the basic and pre-mapped default fields such as first name, the last name, email address, the company name, the phone number, and address. So with SyncApps, we only pre-map or we only sync these basic default fields. So if you have an additional custom field mapping, we have this feature wherein we allow you to sync custom foreign fields over from your Salesforce CRM to your Constant Contact marketing automation. With this feature, SyncApps will automatically map the custom field that you have set, which is in Salesforce, using SyncApps, so we will sync that over to Constant Contact's name field. For more information, you can visit the link on this presentation, which we'll also share in the chat box there for you. Nextly, custom fields in Constant Contact. Constant Contact allows up to 100 custom fields to be created, but for integration purposes, only 15 pre-mapped fields are only exposed in version 2 of Constant Contact's API. Maybe in their version 3, which we are promised that they will be launching soon, they will be allowing more than 15 pre-mapped fields to be available for your integration. So for now, we have to work with the version 2. And due to Constant Contact's API restriction, which only allows us 15 custom fields, those fields are allowed for integration, and any extra fields beyond that cannot be supported by SyncApps. So, how can you manage your Constant Contact custom fields? Well, good news is we have a knowledge base from Constant Contact as well, which we'll be posting in the chat box for you too. You can also log in to Constant Contact and go to your settings, which is shown in the screenshot here for you. Upon going to your settings, just scroll down to see the contact settings where you can select Manage My Custom Fields link. After which, Constant Contact will let you add or create the custom fields that you need in Constant Contact. Please make sure that the field name will be same as shown below, such as custom field 1, 2, 3, and up to 15. This is because of Constant Contact's API restriction as well, that the fields will be pre-mapped or pre-named accordingly to a custom field 1, a custom field 2, and etc. So you will have to manually jot down the value of custom field 1, which will be equal to, let's say, COM10, or your custom field 2, which will be equal to a LOA 2017 site, and so on and so forth. Nextly, how can you use your custom field with SyncApps? So it is important that you have already managed and you have already added the custom fields in Constant Contact before you proceed with SyncApps. So over in step 4, our feature field mapping can be enabled by clicking on the checkbox and select a Salesforce field. Let's say for this example that we will be syncing the birth date. The birth date is not a pre-mapped field, right? So we will be customizing and adding that for integration. Let's say that your constant contact field would be a custom field 01 or custom field 1. So your Salesforce birthday field will automatically be populated in constant contact custom field 01. So with SyncApps, we will do the mapping for you. Let's say the Salesforce birth date will be equal to constant contact field 01. You can add up to 15 custom fields with SyncApps. So, going back to constant contact, after you have done syncing your records from Salesforce to constant contact, you will automatically see the custom fields that you have just created on your contact record right here. So the birth date in Salesforce will be equal to a custom field 1, which the value has been over from Salesforce to your constant contact count. A perfect scenario or a perfect use for this feature will be for your marketing campaigns. Let's say you have an email marketing campaign for a birthday, right? For your records as a birth month of August. So with this, you can then use a filtering and segmentation feature to gather all of those fields or all of those birth dates that you have in Salesforce to your constant contact field. So that is how easy it is to actually manage, add, and sync any custom field from Salesforce to constant contact with SyncApps. Do you have any questions for the team here? If you have any clarifications or further questions with regards to our field mapping, you can also always ping us at support@cazoomi.com, and our 24/7 support rockstars will be glad to help you out with any inquiries that you have. Also, our Walkthrough Wednesday for today will be posted in our blog posts by Friday. Please make sure to head over there to replay and relive the Walkthrough Wednesday that we have gone today. I believe we have no questions from the team, and that is how easy it is, and that is how quick it is to actually manage, add, edit, or delete your custom fields in Constant Contact. This is Joanna, and I thank you all for coming to our Walkthrough Wednesday, and please make sure to head over to our blog on Friday for you to replay or relive our Walkthrough Wednesday for today. Also join us for next week's Walkthrough Wednesday, as we will be featuring our filtering and segmentation feature. Thank you all for coming, and we hope you have a nice day.